There are 3 steps to cloud migration. First is pre-migration. So you do a small project. Don't do analysis paralysis of everything. You don't have to go through everything and do analysis and paralysis of everything. Start with one. Run through multiple iteration of minimal viable learning zone. So minimal viable learning zone is one that I was talking about initially. So you create a minimal viable cloud hosting zone on one of the cloud provider. Do a deployment, and then again whatever you learn, whatever you learn from that deployment, you again go and do it again. So in that way your learning will improve, your MVL will move, landing zone I would say, minimal viable landing zone. So your MVL will increase from version 1 to version 2 to version 3. The way you build in your application minimal viable product 1, 2, 3, and then the final product comes in. Similarly, the cloud also needs a layer of learning because there are multiple parties involved, multiple infrastructure guys involved, there are multiple regulation involved, and if you miss something at the first in the first landing zone, you can apply and upgrade it to another one. Migration. So obviously once everything is done, you're all set, everyone has approved the thing, you can go through, you can add it as a product, secure a budget, and do migration one by one. We'll come out how to migrate on this and what are different ways to migrate. Post migration, obviously governance is a very important thing that we'll be talking about. We'll bring up expert on governance, IT security expert, talk about how to handle governance, compliance, and cost management once your cloud environment set up and once few or many of your application has migrated. How do you retire tech debt? That's a different story, and that's a big chunk of work that needs to be done. Think next on the cloud native application, how the cloud native application would work. There will be separate session on microservices, 12-factor app, and the expert who are working on building a complete cloud native application and how that works. Think automation, support, and frugality. So we'll have different DevOps and automation expert talking on those subjects down the line.